This is Eternal Blade, and welcome to part 10 of the Space Marine Thunderfire Cannon tutorial. Alright, to get started, select this, edges, that, ring, and connect once with 0 pinch and a slide of -37. Then you're going to want to select that edge, nope, one right there, ring, control select the polygon, and extrude upward about 1.531 looks pretty good. Alright. Select these two edges, loop, and give them a chamfer. Small chamfer. Okay. Next, you're going to want to go to the top view. And select all these rivets here and use the scale tool to make them smaller, and then I think we're going to have to manually reposition them. Yeah. And then just go ahead and manually reposition all the rivets. It's a pain, but it's got to be done. Okay. Make them even smaller than that. Okay, because I just figured out that on some of the reference images I was using, it was more of a top-down view, and I saw these rivets, so I thought that they just fit right in there, but there's actually a lip, and that would make mine too big. So, no permanent harm done, but these don't have to be perfect either. I mean, I think they're eventually going to be covered up or obscured, so if they go off the edge, it's fine. And Thunderfire Mac was kind enough to send me a front reference image, so I'll upload that to Photobucket as soon as I'm done making this video here, and you'll be able to find that reference image along with the others at my Photobucket page, which the link is on the top left hand side of my YouTube channel. There we go. Back into perspective. Let's see what we have. Alright, that's what we're looking for. We have a little lip and these things inside. Next, we're going to need to I guess we can start working on the inside section. Let's go to edge, ring, select those polygons, use the scale tool, and shift scale them in. Okay, clone to object, and just name this base rotator. Or, I think I spelled it wrong. Oh well, that's good enough. Then what you're going to want to do is select the border and cap, flip and then select the edge there. Oops. Ring. Select all those polygons, and you're going to want to flip those as well. Lastly, that, and cap it, and I think that one's good. Yeah. Alright. So now we have a nice little rotational thing going on. Select it, go to the top viewport, and then scale it. Oops, sorry, grab the entire thing and scale on the XY until it just reaches the edges. Okay, looks pretty good. Then you're going to want to go in the front viewport, Z, and top. Okay, and you're going to want to go back into the front viewport and extrude this up until it's a bit higher than that one we currently have. Okay, select edges, go back to perspective, press Z to zoom, and then you're going to want to chamfer. You can give it a relatively big chamfer with 3 sides, looks pretty good. Okay, next go to polygon, inset it about 0.39. Select that inside edge you just created, and press loop. Okay, select that polygon, control select the edges. You're going to want to chamfer them with 1 segment. Make the chamfer about 0.05. Then control select polygon. Then press shrink. And you're just going to want to extrude this piece down a bit. Okay. Not too far, but enough. Now we have a nice base to start our work off of. Let's see what we want to do here. Go in the view where you have your front picture, I guess, back, and you can see that there are some pieces coming off here. So in the top viewport, create a box and just create something like that. Okay. In the left hand viewport, or the front viewport, I guess, convert it to an editable poly. Go to the vertex mode and increase the height to about here. Okay, go back into perspective and on the left hand viewport, and you're going to want to just follow the basic outline of this shape here, like so. Perspective, go on the top, select that edge, connect, delete that, polygon, hinge from edge, hinge right there, 180 degrees with 18 segments. Okay, press delete. Vertex, just grab a lot of those vertices there, press weld, you should see a few of them are gone, press OK. That'll be it for this part. I'll see you in part 11.